If you thought your belly was getting larger because of eating too much fat, then think again. The latest medical findings deem sugar, not fat, to be the real culprit. For instance, 1 cup of your seemingly harmless staple diet of rice is equal to 10 teaspoons of sugar. And guess what? You've been eating 50 teaspoons of sugar every day. Scary, huh? Unutilized excess sugar contributes to belly fat and obesity, leading to many other disorders. Little wonder that 2/3 of the world's population is actually obese, making it the #1 epidemic and the underlying causes for heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, and even cancer. Now imagine a solution that empowers you to live and eat guilt-free.
Grayns has invented and pioneered the technology of the starch-reducing rice cooker. So buy from the pioneer and get the original, most effective starch-reducing rice cooker.